It really looks like the price of internet computer ICP is definitely going to be having a major breakout soon, and we could potentially see the price of ICP trade around $10. The reason why I'm saying this is due to the fact that we are hovering close to this area of resistance that we have been talking about ever since we dropped into this particular box. Remember, previously we talked about the fact that if we have a bounce going straight to the upper resistance right over here, and we continue hitting our head towards this particular level in comparison to us being at the bottom, then there is a likelihood of us breaking towards the upside in comparison to us dropping down to our immediate area of buying power right over here, because we've got a lot of liquidity below $7 or close to $7. However, as it stands right now, the bullish momentum is really beginning to peak as far as ICP is concerned. And if you compare the price of ICP with other cryptocurrencies of late, right, you guys obviously understand that the price of ICP has been holding its value. Take a look at the majority of cryptocurrencies today. A lot of cryptocurrencies have really been very moody, and the prices have been going down. We only have a few performers such as SPX and Safe, but in comparison to everything, ICP has been very good. So let me show you the statistics of what has been happening to the price of ICP for the past 7 days. So for the past 7 days, we are up by about 6.4% in comparison to everything else, because everything else has been dumping. For the past 14 days, we are up by about 5.1, even though we are still down by about 9.5 in the past 30 days in comparison to a lot of cryptocurrencies, right? ICP has been holding its value way more than 90%, or rather 70% of cryptocurrencies in the past month. So this is a very good indicator. And what does this tell us? Well, this is a very good judgment of the amount of bullishness and the amount of strong hands supporting internet computer. All the people who are currently trading internet computer, watching content about internet computer, are solid internet computer strong hands. These guys are not really going to end up selling. So what is likely to happen is we might potentially have a breakout soon. Moreover, the price of Bitcoin has been doing very well, and we are about to have a breakout, obviously, towards new all-time highs. So if only I can get rid of this. So let's take a look at Bitcoin BTC. Look at the price of BTC. We are trading at 68,000 US dollars, and there isn't a lot of excitement in the markets, as you have obviously noticed, but the price of Bitcoin trading at 68,000 US dollars after having its shakeout and almost going to 60,000 US dollars is a very positive thing. And this is one of the reasons why I really believe that now we are in the disbelief type of phase. When it comes to the market cycles, there's euphoria, disbelief, there's also anxiety, depression, etc. So I really believe that right now we are about to enter disbelief. A lot of people are thinking this particular rise is obviously going to be a bull trap, which I highly doubt. So if you take a look at the way ICP is lining itself up for the coming days, I really believe that there's going to be a lot of explosive moves towards the upside. So when and if we end up defeating this line of resistance right around this particular area, right, I really believe that the price of ICP is going to immediately, with little resistance, end up going to around $10. Anything close to $10 is definitely going to be in the playbook in the next coming few days. That is as far as internet computer is concerned. So please let me know, why do you think the price of ICP has been barely dropping, and do you really believe that the price of ICP is about to go to $10 in the next coming 14 days, 7 to 14 days? Please let me know in the comment section below. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right, now this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying stop hyping things too much and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You know, you need to be part of my trading group because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively, guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, you know, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. You know, by the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. And this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading. We do have those, you know, one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Let's make this money.